What's going on, everybody? The big event that we've been waiting for has actually happened. We're going to talk about it, what it means, and how it's kind of a new era for crypto because this Bitcoin halving has been so different than any previous halving. Obviously, with the Bitcoin ETFs, hopefully Ethereum ETFs, it has changed the game, right? Institutions have been pouring in. We're going to get BlackRock's opinion on all of this in this video as well. And it's such a different time right now with crypto because institutions are coming in. We haven't really seen the retail push just yet, but we're sitting at $64,000 Bitcoin, right? Pretty crazy. We've already set all-time highs before the halving. Eventually, this demand that we're seeing on the institutional side is going to be met with demand coming in from the retail side. And when that happens, look out, right? That's when Bitcoin, I think, is going to set even new highs, 80,000, 90,000. And you know what happens after that too. All of that capital starts to flood into the altcoin market as well. If we take a look at where we're at right now, Bitcoin's up over $64,000, Ethereum back up over 3K. We do have some of our top altcoins moving pretty nicely here this morning. Cardano's up 12 points right now. We've got ICP up about 16 points right now. And some of the other top movers are Weave, which is in the area of digital storage, digital file storage. They're almost a top 50 crypto, up 18%. And Fetch AI, of course, that is huge right now. The whole AI merger that's happening, ASI, Fetch is that 1-to-1 ratio. A lot of people loading up on Fetch so they can get that 1-to-1 ratio when the new ASI token goes live sometime in May. Now, if we take a look at what BlackRock has been saying about the halving itself, of course, they're bullish. We know that Larry Fink is obviously super bullish on crypto, not just Bitcoin, right? Because they really want to get into RWA now. That's been the lead discussion after Bitcoin. But it says here, BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, has explained the importance of the Bitcoin halving. One of the reasons some people find Bitcoin valuable is its scarcity. And I think this is the reason why a lot of people find it valuable. Only 21 million ever. BlackRock explained, adding that the halving also, quote, underscores Bitcoin's decentralized programmatic nature and its resistance to inflationary pressures that traditional currencies often face. And this is why many people will say Bitcoin is just a better version of gold, right? And it's especially kind of more keen on this digital world we're living in, right? It fits in nicer than gold, right? You talk to 30-year-olds right now, they're not buying gold, they're buying Bitcoin. That's the alternative. BlackRock, it's managing 10.5 trillion, released a video and a blog post explaining the significance of this. There are some new commercials out there as well on the halving, which I thought was pretty interesting. Kraken and Coinbase, I think, put some videos out. And then the blog post here that BlackRock put out was basically just kind of highlighting for all of their clients, like, what is the Bitcoin halving? Why is it important? You have to remember, a lot of these new people coming in by way of the ETFs, they're still learning about the halving, what it means, why it's relevant. And it was pretty cool to see this, that they're all in and explaining to their clients why the halving is such an important event. Now, real quick, I do want to shout out Margex. This is a great place to trade. If you're looking to trade Bitcoin right now with 100x leverage, or Ethereum and many other altcoins like Kaspa, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, you can do so over on Margex. No KYC, guys. When you sign up using my link, you're going to get a 20% sign-on bonus. And this is a really cool feature that you see on screen. You can actually follow the best traders over on Margex for free. When you sign up and fund your account today, you can literally follow their trades, see what they're doing, see how they're making money, and you can follow in their footsteps and learn from the best here. So you guys can see here, the top trader, Little Trade, had an ROI of 2,000+%. Insane. Here's another guy, Leader, up there at almost 1,300%. It's crazy. It actually shows you what they're using as collateral. Definitely dive into it, guys. Check it out. Follow their trades, copy them, and profit like these guys are doing. Appreciate you guys for checking out that link down below. Definitely give it a look. Now, coming back over to kind of the halving, just in general, as we close up the video here, guys, kind of what I'm thinking And I think this is kind of the sentiment around the industry, right? At some point here within the next 6 months, we'll probably see Bitcoin do some amazing things. Historically, Bitcoin has always doubled in price after the Bitcoin halving. At some point within 6 months after the halving, Bitcoin has doubled. So we basically came into the halving, we'll call it around 63,000, give or take. So that should mean that we should hit 126,000 at some point within the next 6 months. Sounds crazy, but if history repeats itself, that's what could happen to the price of Bitcoin. Now, keep in mind, there are slowly but surely diminishing returns over time because Bitcoin is getting bigger and bigger. The market cap is getting larger and larger. So therefore, it's harder to move the needle, right? It's harder to move the ball forward and move the price with a bigger market cap. But no matter what, we haven't seen retail come in. We have the institutional demand. And I think we're just going to be in a perfect situation for the price of Bitcoin to go up. And eventually that money is going to flow into altcoins as well, which we're still waiting on, which is bullish, right? Still a really good time to kind of load up on your favorite alts. So that's what I've got for you guys. Appreciate you guys for watching this one. And again, definitely check out the links to Margex. You can see the logo right here, and start trading with some of the pros over there today. Appreciate you guys as always. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See ya.